Hello everyone, I always wanted to get unlimited money and in Drift Max Pro, and finally I found this application. Drift Max Pro plus application allowed you to generate for your account unlimited money. All you need to do, you must enter amount as you want. Don't worry, this application works for Android or iOS device in 2023. Press generate, and now as you can see everything is generated. Wait to finish this process. After complete, our account will be open. Yeah, and wait maybe 1 minute and boom, look on this. Now I have unlimited money or gold, whatever. As you can see everything is working. This Drift Max Pro plus application is really working in 2023. But where I found this application? To get Drift Max Pro plus application for your mobile device, follow me, open your favorite browser. Okay, scroll down, type the Drift Max Pro, and this is this application. Press install, wait to finish this process. The last step is verification, though sponsor game. Follow all instructions. After complete this easy and free verification, human Drift Max Pro plus will be installed for your mobile device in 2023.